All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And this video is addressing the video from last night. For some reason, my monetization tab, not the actual monetization page, but my monetization tab on my content page. So if you're monetized, you know what I'm talking about. It'll be like have your videos, then it'll be like if they're public, and then monetized, and then if they have restrictions. Well, that was gone. And I was like, oh crap, did I get demonetized? Couldn't find any emails. I go to the monetization tab and it's like, blah, 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 you're a partner. Here's your AdSense ID that it's linked to this AdSense account. And I'm like, oh my God, did somebody change my settings? So I log into my AdSense account because people are like, oh, check this, check that. By the way, thank you guys for getting me to, giving me a lot of ideas. And I ended up getting up with the creator team. I sent the live chat. They didn't really help, but I got up with the email creator team. Anyway, all in all, it was resolved, but they don't know why that happened. I was still a partner. I've not broken any guidelines. I have 0 strikes. I have no issues, no copyright infringement, nothing. But for some reason on both of my linked channels, I have a car channel and I have my Brandon Coin channel, and they're both monetized. The monetization column was gone, so I couldn't monetize or unmonetize any videos. And videos that had advertisements turned on still had advertisements, but I couldn't turn advertisements on new videos. And yeah, it was a little bit concerning because this has been a pretty regular part of like my income for years now. Not only Brandon Coin, but also my car channel. Because car channels, they do actually really, really good, like all the time. Like Brandon Coin does good. I get like, every video gets like a good amount of views, but the topics kind of die off and then nobody watches them again. Whereas car videos like just keep getting views over time. So, I for a little while, I thought I lost monetization on both of them. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like, what am I going to do? And then, of course, I get, some of the hecklers in the comment section like, oh, my God, all you do this for is money. Well, no, it starts out as passion, but then nobody can do daily videos for multiple years for free and just for the fun of it. I do enjoy it. I absolutely do. I think I'm blessed, and I thank you guys every single day. But if I wasn't able to be monetized, I would have to either go to get some sponsors, or I would have to pull my schedule back, because it does pull away, time from my normal daily life and family and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, I don't need to explain any of that to you guys. The real recognize real, you know what I'm saying? So the guys out there that had kind words, I appreciate it. I really do. There was a lot of funny comments, actually. You know what? Hold on. Let me pull some of those up because they were notably funny. But all in all, they don't know what it was. I guess it was a glitch in the matrix. So there was a couple other people that commented that said they were experiencing something similar. I think it potentially had something to do with them updating how monetization is going to be affected for YouTube Shorts coming up. So I don't know if that did something. I don't know. I just really don't. It scared me. And of course, other people are like, oh, it's no big deal. And I'm like, well, it's no big deal when it doesn't affect you. So, but yeah, let's see here. I'm pulling these comments up. Brandon Coin. All right. So, sorry about that. ABMNS, thank you for the kind words there. He said nothing but a glitch in the matrix. Just wait. I'm sure they'll have it fixed. They did. Thank you, guy. Rivers, this is how YouTube treats its creators. No answers when things like this happens. They did get back to me, but it did take them a while. Of course, I did contact them in the middle of the night, but they advertised 24 hours, 24/7 creator support. That's one of the perks, or supposed to be perks, from being a YouTube creator or partner. It took them a little bit longer than I thought to get back, almost a full 12 hours. He said, I wish there was a decent alternative to YouTube. That was Mr. Rivers. I wish there was also. Donald said, hope you get it straightened out. Thank you for the kind words there. JR says YouTube likes to monetize different channels, sometimes arbitrarily. I've definitely heard of it happening. Obviously, this is my first run-in with anything weird or wonky happening. It's not like I'm just new on the scene. My car channel is coming on like almost 7 years old. It's been monetized for 6 years. So it's new to me. That's all. The Dro says, I was having a weird issue the other day where it said I was streaming, but it was nowhere to be found. 2 days later, magically shows up in my live stream, and then there was nothing working, and something was broken. That's weird. Let's see here. Randy Wilson says, I'm going to blame ETH for it. Yeah. Just in time to grow says, welcome to my world. I was a partner for 6 years before I was demonetized in one of their adpocalypses. It's a scam. Tell me that I can't be monetized, but they'll run ads on my channel. Wow. Lobo Novo says, I like you because you do not try to sell us scams, rug pulls, or overpriced crap that will never ROI at that price. I don't want to go like the sponsorship route, but so like the AdSense and having the Google ads always kind of made sense to me, because I would leave skippable ads on, so people with YouTube Premium, they wouldn't get any ads, and then people that didn't have YouTube Premium, they could just skip the ad. I know sometimes there are unskippable ads, but for the most part, most of them are skippable. So then, you supported me and you didn't have to buy anything. You didn't have to like hear me talk about some crappy phone game that nobody wants to play. And it worked. That's how I like to watch. And that's, I understand where the creators go and when they're trying to like get sponsorships and stuff. I just didn't want to do that, didn't want to go down that road. So I'm glad it's back, and hopefully it stays back. Bennett says, we got you back. Appreciate that. Retro Mike says, my gaming channel went that way last month. They're replacing AdSense payments with their own internal YouTube payment system and all new dashboard. Oh, okay. Well, that's good to hear. So I guess there's going to be more wonky stuff happening. Teaspoon says, I had an ad come up right at the end of your video. Hope it all gets sorted out. Appreciate that. Retro says, Brandon, it sounds to me as if someone has altered your payout account details. Retro, thank you for getting me to look into that, because I had not updated details on that account in years. So I went ahead and went through and changed all my passwords, got everything updated, got my 2-factor back, good to go. JR says, no sponsorship revenue, no ad revenue, and no mining revenue. Yeah, that would have been a big old no. So Crypto Blank says, first ETH and now this, income diminishing, build another crypto house. AM Game says, you're not alone. I don't have monetization option to turn on. Also, I messaged him and I said, did this just start? And he says, yes, it's spreading like a virus to every channel slowly. They're working on fixing it, they said on Twitter. Okay, awesome. Good to know that I wasn't just some random case here. Zero Hedge says, and I thought you made these videos for the love. I said, I didn't respond to this. Actually, my spammer responded to that. Let me delete that. Man, the spammer is in full effect. He says, yes, he does make them for the love of money. Keep us posted. Yeah, but love of money. Just kidding. Love you, Brandon. I do like making videos. It's kind of like one of those jobs that you enjoy. But at the end of the day, I got a family. I got a business. I got a life. And it's... no time is free anymore. So time is valuable. If I'm taking my time away from that to do something, there's got to be an exchange somehow or another. I just don't want you guys to pay for it. You know what I mean? Ricky says, careful with them sunglasses, brother. People can see exactly what's on your computer screen with the reflection. Well, most of the time I don't have anything incriminating. And when I was looking at all my AdSense stuff, it was all the back end. So everything got changed. But I appreciate you reaching out to me. Sounds about right. Big bad website dropping the axe with no explanation. Hopefully it was just a glitch. Yeah, I think it was. Godzilla said, all I know is I watched 2 ads before this video started. Yeah, I guess it's back up and working now. I hope it gets sorted out soon. Thank you. Did you get hacked? Hit up the Twitter help desk. Yeah. Well, anyway, I appreciate you guys. Thank you, for real. I'm not gonna hold up any more of your time. We will be back with regularly scheduled content coming out tonight. So, oh man, it was a relief. It really was, because right now I'm still living in the camper. We're still building the house. So anything abnormal to happen, like, I mean, heck, YouTube's been a part of my life for a long time. So them demonetizing one channel would be bad, but demonetizing 2 channels would be both of my channels, because that's the only channels I really upload to, would be like nail in the coffin. Like, ooh, that hurt. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna sign off here. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, adios, all that kind of stuff. Drop it down below if you're a jellyfish or an OG. I need to get the alternator changed in my old Mustang, doing forward things. It's constantly broken. All right, later.